And I got the chance to sit down with Rob Moffat. Now, he's partner at Balderton Capital, which owns the title of the largest Series A-focused European VC. Now, the VC firm has a bevy of fintech portfolio companies, including global money app Revolut, which announced a $66 million funding round just this week to help it expand geographically, but to also push into cryptocurrencies. Now, before delving into the world of blockchain, though, I started by asking, well, where he was finding opportunities to invest and the types of businesses catching his eye. Take a listen.
We've seen a lot of activity around lending, and we were early investors in Zopa, who was the first peer-to-peer lender coming out of Europe. Investors in Wonga, we were investors in a company, Prodigy Finance, in student lending, who are doing exceptionally well. So that was the first area we saw great growth. Second one was the neobanks and everything around new forms of doing digital banking. We're investors in Revolut, who announced a $66 million raise this week, and they started off doing foreign exchange for people traveling abroad, but have now broadened into the place where people go for all of their day-to-day financial needs and become this real hub for your financial needs. So that's been really exciting growth from 0 to 700,000 users over 2 years. It's extraordinary to see that kind of growth in financial services.
And what about the cryptocurrency spectrum in general? I mean, we've had such volatility this week alone, whether you're looking at the Ethereum price, for example. How does this continue to grow or not, as the case may be?
And our view as a VC is we're looking for how we're going to build real businesses. And I think Ethereum in particular is fascinating. There are so many different industries that could be transformed using Ethereum. The fact that you don't need to have a trusted intermediary, that you have the smart contracts that enable business, whether it's trade or it's stores of value or it's diamond trade, whatever it might be, there's a lot you can do with smart contracts. The question is, how far away is that, and how long does it take to get there, and what mechanism do you use to get there? Does it justify having 100 different altcoins out there for every single use case, or is there actually a lot that can be done with Ethereum itself? And that's what I'm trying to work out right now. I'm much less worried about the near-term volatility.